I just want to show you something, and I'm not at the moment. I'm looking at 3 o'clock in comparison to where the camera angle is pointed. Okay, so I'm not looking directly at the dog, but can you see? I'm just going to zoom in. I'm looking at the screen on the phone now. So there she is. Look, can you see the little eyes peeking over the pillow? And now I want to show you a relationship thing. I want to try and demonstrate a relationship thing. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to look at her and I'm going to smile. I'm going to look away. And I'm going to look again. I'm going to look away. I'm going to look once more. That's what I'm trying to say.